Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordan 4s, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Clueless by Polo G. Amazing song, go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. Alright, so obviously today we're going to be taking a look at the TAUPE HAZE Jordan 4s. I was able to get these from eBay. Got a size 9, retail was $200. I paid a lot more than that, sadly. So yeah, let's move on. Got the shoes right here, let's take them out. And there's my stuff I got from eBay. We also got the tag right here. This took really long to take off of the shoes, so I'm not proud of that. So let's put that back in. And here we got the shoes. So firstly, if you are curious about how my experience was with eBay, I'll leave a link in the description because I basically gave you guys the whole process. So yeah, first things first, let's talk about price point. Like I said, retail was $200 and I ended up paying way more. I paid around $400. Actually, I think I paid like $399 or something like that, but you know, I'm gonna just round it up. Resale right now is around $400 as well. So yeah, I paid resale. It sucks, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes because I wasn't able to get these for retail. Next, let's talk about quality on the shoes. This is actually an all suede shoe, which I really didn't know. I thought the shoe was leather, so you can see it right there. It's actually really soft suede. It even moves back and forth. And then you have like this crinkled leather right here, which isn't my favorite, to be honest. Like, I would prefer if this was just regular suede or just leather, but you can see it right there. It's also on the tongue. And then on this back part right here. And then this part right here is suede. You also have the red tongue up here as well. It says Air Jordan. You have a red insole, again size 9, with a little black liner on the inside. So yeah, I really like this shoe, and let's be honest with ourselves, it looks just like the Travis Scott Friends and Family shoe, and that's why this shoe is doing very, very well. The only reason why I decided to pick this shoe up myself is because I've been seeing so many people with this shoe, and it just makes me want it more and more. For me, it had nothing to do with it looking like a Travis Scott shoe. That's just a plus. I just genuinely really like this colorway. You can also see the brown netting right there, and then at the bottom, nice all white, red Jumpman, and then this little red spot right there. Quality control on this shoe isn't too bad. I have seen a couple people's pairs with glue stains. You can kind of see a little bit right there is mine. But overall, I would say that my pair isn't that bad. It's actually in pretty good condition. Oh yeah, I also want to point out, I have seen a couple people put white or cream laces in this shoe, and it actually doesn't look too bad, so you should try that out yourself. So yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna just spin the shoe around for you guys so you guys can get a nice look at it. So yeah, as you can tell, it's actually a very great shoe, and I'm actually really happy I was able to pick this up. Again, it sucks that I had to pay resale, but you got to do what you got to do sometimes. And I just realized I forgot to mention sizing, so let's talk about that real fast. For me, I go true to size on all Jordan 4s, and that's a size 9. If you have wide feet, you should be fine going true to size, and if you have narrow feet, you should be fine going true to size as well. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about the Jordan 4 TAUPE HAZE. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at this shoe on feet.